Hello, my name is Orange Birdie.
And my name's Fit. Oh my god, that sounds racist.
I don't know why. Who is that person?
Hoot, my name Hootie.
God, that sounds so depressing. I'm gonna literally do this and post it on Birdstagram.
Hoot makes you have the right to say that to me, boy.
Oh my god, I feel roasted like a chicken. I'm gonna call Eagle right now. Beep, 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 beep.
Hello, my name's Snowbird. Yay!
My name's Blue Birdie. Yeah.
Hoot, but you're yellow too. Hoot, hoot, hoot.
This is why you guys have no friends in the 2018s. Oh my god, like literally, I'm so rich. Here, have some cashes.
Young people like you are very rude, you know that? You should go back to school so you could learn.
Who makes you have the rights to say that? Like literally, you're very old. And even who are you?
Who am I? Who am I? Oh, literally, okay. 'Cause I'm your mama.